prior to coming to Healthjump, I had executive responsibility over data and engineering services at Cerner. On the consulting side, we were looking to get data out of competitor systems for when they came to us. I've been in the interoperability world for a decade plus at this point, and you'll find a lot of people that will tell you, I can do that, no problem. And a lot of it is actually smoke and mirrors when it's all said and done, and they can't actually deliver it. Most vendors, when they pull data, they don't have the clinical background or knowledge or care to make sure that the data that they're providing is consistent and good, and that they've actually captured all the data. So I'm a big proponent of no patient left behind, which happens all the time in healthcare, where you get incomplete data sets, you don't have the full record, and when you do that, you can make bad decisions in terms of care for a patient, you can have bad reporting to drive business outcomes from a health system or practice standpoint. And our customers are happy. They're happy, and we're consistent, and we deliver in rapid timelines. And it's really fun to have a customer come to us and say, I signed this, or I have a new practice, and I need stuff ASAP. And most places that's 3 months, 6 months. Here, it's less than a week from start to finish, where we have high quality data streams streaming to them for the use cases that they need to run their business. Data drifts over time. The way people use the system evolves over time, and the way that vendors evolve their system evolves over time too, where they do a new release and all of a sudden the way that someone did something before has changed because the vendor changed it, and then you have to rewrite everything. And we proactively look for that, correct it, and solve it for our clients before it becomes a problem for them. And that's very unique in the industry today. Healthjump to me is a community of fabulously smart people that are solving some of the biggest challenges in healthcare, which is unlocking access to data. And we are on a journey to do that for every practice in America. And once the data is unlocked, where it's locked away in many different systems today, then we can really ideate, innovate, and provide value back to healthcare, which is a challenge in today's world.